it's time for American troops to come home. And we will do it in full coordination with our allies and partners. The plan has long been in together, out together.
My favorite moment in this mission, when I saw first mission airborne. I saw the bird leaving the Ottopen Air Base, and I said, yeah, it started.
Bringing our troops home from Afghanistan after 20 years, so it's really historical and important.
What we did was we took all of the requests from the nations and we came up with a smart way to do it. Normally we would execute one mission for one nation, and on the short timeline that wouldn't have been successful. So what we've done is we've combined as much cargo, personnel as we could in theater so that we're flying the jets as full as we can to meet the withdrawal timeline.
Jet was like having the electricity on for almost 72 hours. So one crew took the jet, flew the mission, landed and handed the jet to the next crew, and so on. So we did that for 3 days in a row. We haven't done that in Papa. Definitely was first time for me.
We brought 2 of our SAC C-17s, 4 air crews, a detachment of Boeing maintenance personnel, and a detachment of support personnel to facilitate the retrograde movement out of Resolute support. This is the first time in the history of a unique program that we have taken a full detachment to include contracted maintenance away from home station to execute a mission like this.
More than 4 weeks of coordination for getting everything set, and it was a big challenge actually, because there is no experience for this kind of operations in HO and in SAC program in general. So everybody lined up. It was a big joint effort, and yeah, we just aligned the planets. Right now everything is working like a sweet watch.
For the heavy airlift wing to have crews positioned at a stage like this. We've tried to make it look as normal as possible for the air crews and just have everything working in the background. So they step to a jet, they have a good jet, they have their mission materials they need, they get update briefings before they step, and they fly the mission like normal.
We have a different threat level there. You need to be aware that the base itself starts to shut down, to close down, so you don't have the same resources there. So we try to take as much as possible cargo and people.
I'm proud to be part of this operation, representing Romania inside the whole, but also being the deputy commander for this. I can say that Romania was amazing, really supportive. Big thank you for them. Proud to be here.